Hello everyone and welcome back to another Terra Luna creative tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to color pick colors from any photo that you would like. So for instance, you might have seen a beautiful free stock photo that you have and you want to use, but you also are wondering like, how do I get that color, out of that photo and extract it and use it how I want to? And so that's exactly what we'll be doing today. So the first step is to choose your photo, which I have done, and I already have it open in Photoshop. So I'm just going to navigate there, and here it is. Here's the photo. You can see there's a really nice sweater on top of a chair, and I just think that this is a really nice, cozy looking fall photo, and I love the colors in them, all of the neutrals. So what I want to do is I want to pull some of those colors out to create a really nice, calming, soothing fall color palette. Okay, so the first step is to navigate to the left over to your different tools right here. You are going to choose the color picker, eyedropper tool rather. And you're just going to navigate to the part of the photo that you want and click on it. And I'm clicking and holding just so that you can see the colors. So that's the color of the sweater. And as I drag this eyedropper tool, I can pick up colors from the chair, all of these beautiful wood tones. And as you can see, there are so many colors that you might not be able to see with your naked eye, but the eyedropper tool is just picking up all of these little nuances within the photo. Okay, so I'm going to let that go. And what I've done is I've already created some boxes for us to add our colors to. So you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 white boxes, but they won't be white for long because we're going to change all that. And so this is the first box. I'm going to double click it. And I'm going to come over here into the photo and select a color that I want. So I'm going to start with the sweater. I really am liking that color. So this number or a series of numbers and letters right here, this is actually called a hex code. And you use this when you're maybe designing a website or programming an email. You can insert this as the code of color. So I'm just going to copy and paste, Command C, then click OK because I also want to include that hex color right here so that I know what color it is. And there we have it. So we have chosen our first color, and I'm just going to keep doing the same thing with all of these. I'm going to double click on the second box, and this time I'm going to go for, actually this is the third box, but that's okay. I'm going to go for some color within the actual chair. So this looks good to me. Copy the hex code. Make sure this is correct. Yes. Add that hex code. Now let's revisit the second box right here. And this time, let's go down further within the chair to see what we can see. That's really nice. I like that. So again, grab the hex code. Okay. Make sure this is the corresponding text. And we will add that hex code. So now we are going to do the final box. And let's go for a richer, darker color if we can. Decisions. So this sweater is just so rich and full of color, but we want something a little darker, just a little darker. I'm thinking that's really nice. Grab that hex code and edit this text. And voila! So here we have it. We have a fresh, cozy, comfy fall color palette. And that is how you use the eyedropper tool in Photoshop to just grab any color you want within any photo. So thank you again for coming back for another Terra Luna creative tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.